It's recording, right? Not happening. Okay.
Yeah.
Now it.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes. No
Okay.
happened.
Mm. Okay. Now we'll see the configuration steps in SAP. I mean how we will do the configurations and all. Okay. So generally output determinations before you save the PO, we can take the printout. But if you want to take the printout, we have to do the configuration. So once you PO save, after only you can able to take the printout with PO number. But before you submitting PO, so PO number it will not generating, but you take the printout. That we need to do configuration setups. So this is the configurations SPRO purchasing under purchasing messages under output control under that condition table access sequence. So these two steps we know already, we seen already pricing procedure or batch management. So we seen these two types, two steps. So remaining it will be new. So we'll start now. Okay. So SPRO. Okay. Materials management. Under materials management purchasing. Okay. Under purchasing messages. Okay. Here messages. Okay. Under messages output control. Okay. Output control under that condition table. See, under this output determinations, some messages we can do different purchase RFQ. This is purchase order. This is steps. So each and outline agreements, so schedule agreements, inbound delivery. Each and every document, we have separate condition tables. So generally we will do purchase order. Okay, now we'll see the just click this purchase order. Define condition table for purchase order. So same here also. So create condition table for purchase orders. Same table number above 500 to below 1000 we should give 999 under that because 3 digits. So this T code is a M/59. Okay, define condition table for purchase order PO. So T code is M/59. Okay, this one. So we can use 777. Okay. For creating purchase orders, what are the important to company code? It's important to our plant important to purchase organization is important to our purchase group is important. So this is the common. So remaining materials each and every PO we will be creating entering materials is different and even the vendor also supplying plant is based on the even the vendor also depends on the vendors it will be but it will not be all the frequently we will go for one vendor, so that is the reason. So we will select here company code. Okay, then plant. Okay, purchase organization and purchase group. But purchase group, if you selecting here, we should have a own purchase group. So purchase group is in, so standard is a 001. We can create our own purchase group. So for purchase group is T code is OME4. Okay, at the time of master data under material master, we discussed purchase group creations. We just go to, so if you want to create new purchase order, I mean new purchase group, so T code is a OME4. Okay, so just select this one and copy as you can give whatever you wanted. Okay, so we should have create one purchase group also. So now we selected this condition table, company code, plan to purchase organization, purchase group, then generate. Okay, so do you want to generate the condition table? Yes. Okay, just save. Okay, just click this object. Okay, so now we created table is 777. Okay, so if you want, you can enter here. We created so condition table for 777. Okay, okay, so this 777 condition table is created. Now we'll go back. Next, second is a access sequence. So even the access sequence under that also same thing here. Define access sequence for RFQ is there. Request for quotation, purchase order, outline agreement, schedule agreements, inbound delivery. So now we are doing define access sequence for purchase order. This T code is M/59. Okay, sir, 50. Okay, access sequence is 50. So now we'll go to double click. Okay, just continue. Okay, so go to new entries. Access sequence, it is in 4 digits. You can give whatever you want. Let's examples ABCD I will give. Okay, ABCD access sequence. Materials management, purchasing, under purchasing messages. Okay, under message output control, under output control access sequence. So under access sequence, okay, so define access sequence for purchase order. Okay. Okay, go to new entries, ABCD, ABCD access sequence. Okay, then select line item, go to access, go to new entries. So here table number is, sorry, serial number is 10, table number we created 777. We need to be enter, and under the table what are the combinations we are taken. So company code, plan to, purchase organization, purchase group. So these are the 4 fields we selected under this condition table. Then select line item, go to fields mapping. So this we know, because in these steps we already done this. Company code, plan to, purchase organization, purchase group. So company code BUKRS, works, plant works WERKS, purchase organization EKORG, purchase group is EKGRP. So this we should be by heart. SC11 and SC16 I told in the tables we should be by heart these tables, I mean fields names and all. Okay, then save. Okay, next to message types. Even the message type also same here also, like message types for RFQ, purchase order, outline agreements, but we should be select to purchase order. So here standard message type for in here in output determination NEU. Okay, one second. Standard output type or output message type. SAP standard message type is for PO, or maybe we can say so. SAP standard message type for PO is NEU. Interior also they will ask. So what is the standard message type for PO? So NEU is we should be tell. So we will copy that NEU. We can create one PO printout. Message type means output, PO document type, printout document type. So standard is a NEU. Okay, what will do? Select this NEU, go to copy as. Here you can give whatever you wanted. So let's examples output type also instead of NEU, I will give ABCD only. Okay, no problem. ABCD here description. So new PO printout to ABCD, you can give description. See access sequence. So access sequence before step what we created, we should be enter. So access sequence under that I created ABCD only. So if you just click this one, the list you will come to know. So whatever the access sequence list. So this is ABCD is ours. Just be select here. See access to conditions and multiple issuing you should be ticked by default. So we just access to conditions means this whatever the condition tables we are maintained under that field, you should be access that conditions fields. Next to multiple issuings. Multiple issues means just it is in the output types when we take the printouts, whether it is in PO printout or vendor is sending invoice to us, we take the invoice printout. The customer will be sending order confirmations to us, or maybe customers will send the PO to us. So we need to be accept. We will take the printout. That is multiple issuings means here. Okay, and remaining and all it's not required. It is standard whatever it is the default values, time, storage systems, print, mail. You can short orders. You can leave no problem. Okay, then enter. Just copy all. Okay, here language we should be select. By default, sometimes here Hindi it is there, so we can select local languages or something. HI it is there, here Hindi it is there, but we should select to English here. Okay, then here cancel that. So once, because if you enter, so screen again it will go to different language here. Just that is the reason, so you should select to English here. Okay, just give cancel, again it will go to back to screen only. See here. Okay, applications EF it is there. EF means it's a pivot. Okay, applications EF, it is an output type, it is in EF is a pivot. Okay, in this output type determination under that applications, application is EF. Applications, that means pivot printout standard message type is NEU. Okay, so here printout it is in PO, and here the functions we should be select to VN vendor for PO printout. Here vendor. Okay, just 2 3 times you enter, or so if you get this like this error, just cancel, because it's already PO printout it is there. Okay, now ABCD our output type here, and this is our access sequence. Just we copying the standard to NE to one document type here. See, ABCD output type, this instead of NEU we created ABCD. So then again, then select line item, go to here mail title and text. So here the language only English should be there. So you just keep this, we just cross checking. Okay, if you want you can remove this one as a title, or maybe you can put PO something, whatever, no problem. Okay, then after that go back. Okay, again select line item, go to processing proteins, just double click. See here, this ABCD we are linking to whether printout output to PO printout to fax, external sending, or EDI, simple mail, or the distribution. So this is the types of, we'll take the printouts. So which document if you want to, so each and every document it will be supporting to the what we are doing configuration ABCD. Output type is linking to the is the document types. Okay, so after this, okay, next it's a partner roles. So here partner roles it is, we just ABCD linking to the vendor. Again select this line item, just go to partner roles. Okay, so here it is, go to new entries, enter here, because it's already showing. It's generally VN we done before step. This is we selected print output to VN vendor, so that is the reason it came here. So select partner role, go to new entries, enter the you can select here medium under that. So here the multiple options are there. First we should be select to print out. Okay, then here the functions. So which vendor is we sending PO printout? Because see here EF it is in purchase orders. Printout for vendor, the PO printout we doing here functions. Okay, you select a vendor in this list and save. Okay. Okay, next messages determination schema. Under that also same message determine for purchase order. Message define message schema for purchase order. Okay, so this we can call this directly this navigation path or MN04 also we can say. So maintain condition records. Here maintain messages determination schema. Just double click for purchase order. Okay, so go to procedure. So we can do here, otherwise directly also MN04 also we can, sorry, we can maintain. That is also I will show you. MN04 T code directly. Go to new entries, here procedure. So here ABCD only I will take. So you should be, I can maintain COM only here. So ABCD procedure. Okay. Okay, and then select line item, go to control data, new entries. Under that step is 10. Here condition type. So condition types before we created ABCD for PO condition output type. Here PO, here new PO printout ABCD. Just select this one and save. This ABCD we need to assign to our purchase group. So purchase group, it's a standard is a 001, it is there. So we created, I mean I have one standard, it is there. So we created, so I will choose that. See, 1 second. Assign a schema to purchase order. Just double click. Okay, so this is condition usage B application EF purchase order, this procedure. So procedures what we created now, ABCD I created, we should be select this one. So next step this ABCD I'm going to assigning to purchase group. So our purchase group is 999, we have standard one. Okay, then you can select this. By default will come here messages, and this is partner roles for determination. Tick this, both will be tick. If you want here under T time, this is T. Okay, so we can send after POs creating, we can send own transactions, applications own transaction means we'll take the PO printout and we can scan to the senders. Otherwise the technical teams, when we creating purchase order with one vendor XYZ, so when we save the PO, once a PO is approved, automatically it will link to the vendor mail IDs. So we can directly automatically PO also we can send, but again technical teams we need support that. So here the send these applications own transactions. So you can leave here options, so no need to be select under these transactions or time change messages. You can leave blank, and this is new message determination tick, and partner roles determination, you just tick these two options. Okay, we'll go back. Yes. What we created. Okay. Okay, next to assign output device to purchase groups. Here output device what we created, ABCD I created PO output types. This we are going to assigning to purchase groups. Just double click. Okay, go to position. So our purchase group it is in, so standard it is in 3001, here it is there, this one. But now I am going to, we have created have one purchase group 999. Okay, here output divisions LP01 is a standard. Even the real time also we will use LP01. We should be maintain here LP01 only. So this is our, instead of 001, so D123, so purchase group is a 999. We created, just enter this LP01 and save. So we can do this is R maintain. So one more, this MN04 I said maintain condition record. Now we created under 777 we created one condition table, company code, plan to purchase organization, purchase group. So now we are going to assigning that. See examples, /n-mn04 we can use. Okay, this output type ABCD we created. See, PO new output type ABCD. PO output to print out to ABCD. Otherwise, we can use this MN04 or NES it is there. So interview also they will ask NES, NACE. See output determination to configurations, NACE, NES. Okay, so here for NES output control, just select purchase order EF here. See, EF is purchase order, EA is RFQ, EL is purchasing scheduling agreements. Okay, ES is service entry sheet. Now we select this one like EF purchase order, go to condition record or maintain condition record also, no problem. See here ABCD is ours. Just select this one, condition records. Here NACE, NACE. Okay, see here company code, purchaser. See this is we came to here NES, NACA. Or if you go for MN04 also, the same steps only will come. The company code we created D123, our company code plan to D1 P1. Okay, purchase group D123 here purchase organization D123, purchase group is 999. Okay, and save. This one problem it is coming, otherwise so we can go for instead of this one also. So MN04 it is there, MN04 maintain condition record, this one. So ABCD is our condition record, just enter. So under that, see here company code, plan to purchase organization, our purchase group, so 999. Enter and save. Now condition record is saved. Now if I will create the purchase order, so before I will save the PO, I can take the printout based on this what we done the configurations. See ME21N. Okay, any one vendor, our listed vendors. Go back. Okay, Dell vendor. Okay, purchase organization and purchase group we created 999. If you're not selecting 999, so then it will not come output type message. So we should be go for standard. If you enter 001 standard purchase group, so company code. Okay, then material. Okay, laptop we can say. Okay, PO quantity, let's 5 pieces, delivery 20th August. Okay, price 25,000, currency INR, plant D1 P1, storage location. Okay, now see here messages it is there. Before we saving, I can take the printout. First go to messages here. Okay, here output control type. So what we created, ABCD we created. See here how it is coming ABCD here. We link to purchase group 999. So we assign to this output type ABCD under to 999. So that is the reason it is coming here. Here medium, so we should be select to print out to here functions it is there. So we should be select to VN. VN is a vendor. Okay. After this, okay, go to further data. See here, we didn't send there, we didn't select it there. See, send this application own transactions. See, these four are there, but it's a by default system will suggest it is one application, one transactions. Once PO will take the printout and we will scan and send to the vendors. So we will not send directly to the vendor once we save these applications. So that is the reason. Okay. Now we'll go back. After just communications method, you just select this one. See here, logical destinations. The PO output type it is in LP01 is a standard. That means it is an output delivery document type LP01. Standard this is. Okay, LP01 you select. I will go back. Now we go to print to preview here. See, now we didn't save the purchase order, but I can take printout, PO printout. But PO number will not come. A document date will come. So 14th today date and materials. What is the combinations here? See, laptop 5 pieces. Each piece 25,000, 1,25,000. 0001 payables immediately in vendor databases we maintain. So that is the reasons here it came here. Payables immediately due on net currency INR anything all this one. So before we take printout, I mean before we submit the purchase order, we'll take the printout. Maybe at the time of manager it's not there. Maybe any emergency purpose we just take the printout and we'll sending to the vendors. So or maybe vendor is sending, we received one document from the vendor side. Maybe vendor is using different format of quotation, different document format of vendor. You will be sending invoices to us. We need to take printout, but system has to accept that document types. So that is the reasons in SAP the document types will be supporting SAP script and the smart forms and PDF forms. I think yes, I'm very data. Okay, this is a ME9F PO printout to T code. Directly we can take printout. Generally, when we will, where we will take T code. Let's example. Now I'm submitting this purchase order. Okay, PO number 4500017765. See now, if examples, I will go for ME9F. Okay, so vendor, so PO number, purchase organization, purchase group, EF application is purchase order, see message type we defined ABCD. Just execute that. Okay, PO will come here. Then select this one. Okay, line item, display message. If I click this one, the PO number, so before when we saw this number it's not there. Before we saving also we take printout. After we saving, so ME9 of PO printout we can take here. So this is output determinations. But here we should be select to output determination. It's in two steps we should be remember. What is the standard configuration? So here the standard message type is NEU and configurations NES format. Or maybe you can take here NACE. This is the T code. NACE. So direct T code also, but direct T code before we should be create this configurations. Condition table, access sequence, message type to here, message determination schema, assigns output device to purchase groups. Then this is a T code condition record MN04, and if PO printout MA9F4, this also we can take here. I will enter this. Yes, or T code. We can use this whether MN04 or NACA. Sorry, NACA also we can use. So direct printout for PO. So generally where we will take PO printout means maybe ME2M also we can go instead of ME9FO. So we will go for PO printout ME2M. Let's examples laptop. I created purchaser and just execute. This is the PO number. Again we select PO number here, go to print preview. Here ME2M here itself will come to know open PO reports also. See here, still to be delivered, still to be invoiced. That means so open PO report also we can say ME2M or ME2N also we can say, no problem, both are same only. Okay, so this is output determinations. Okay, so if you want to weekly or maybe any one day, I will take interviews till you will get a job or how practice will be going on. So you just I will support you, or maybe whenever you have doubts topics, you can let me know one day before something. So we will sit and we will explain to you have any doubts. But you should be practice very important, not only you, even I told Vijay or some other batch students are there. So practice is very important. The how knowledge will be increasing based on our practice only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Okay, sir.
So if any support, let me know. I will definitely I will help you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.